stuff, then what I wanted to ask you is, do you have any advice for anyone that wants to go pro or go to like step 6 or step 8 or step 1 or EFL Championship or League 1 or League 2 or Premier League
I think
or any other
we
leagues?
could both probably give you an answer there. I think for me, it's to enjoy it, to give everything, to make sure that your attitude is spot on. And if you do that, and you leave no stone unturned, then you've got a chance to make your dreams come true.
He said it all, to be honest. He said everything.
And another question, what were all of your clubs that you played for?
One of the clubs that we're up in, so I started at Portsmouth. I went on loan to Bournemouth, came back to Portsmouth, and then in 2012, 2013 season I came to Palace.
I started at Chelsea Academy, and then I went to Swansea on loan.
I remember you at Chelsea.
Yeah, and I
Much
came
sad.
straight here after the loan from Swansea. Palace bought me, so yeah.
My brother was sad when he left.
Was it? Yeah.
He's 20 now, he's in university.
Because you know they're good kids.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Sometimes you have to move on.
Yes. But was it you that when Haaland versus Crystal Palace, one of you guys got bodied?
That would have been me.
A
Yeah.
centre back.
That would have been me. No, I was running back in from left back.